Kita kong putik.
Alright. Ang inaw ng putik.
Enemy down.
Enemy has dropped the bomb.
Ay, laboratory.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Defend the
Visit,
objective.
papatulan ko to.
The enemy has the bomb.
Ingay-ingay eh. Ginawa, puro kabebe ng kabebe eh.
Defend A. You were the last one. Complete the mission.
Ang ina kasi, walang bantay, walang ano eh. Walang backup eh. Bitchy. Reset eh.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Nakakabuisit kasi, parang tanga. Ini. Reset eh.
Defend the objective. They have the bomb.
Kala mo, elementary tinuturuan eh. Puta ng ini. Reset ang puta. Slow. Slow yard.
Bomb spotted.
Target down.
Okay. Ang ina nung nag-smoke ha. Okay ang ina nung nag-smoke. Hayop. Leche ah. Parang bobo eh. Parang bobo eh, no?
Port natin to ah. Sino pang tina-trash talk niya? Ikaw ba, Ez?
It's all up to you now.
Oo, tao.
Finish the mission.
Ang ina kasi. No? Uy, isa na lang yan
Nice work.
eh.
Get ready for the next round.
Lahat na sinisisi, girl. Like,
Ay, mga nakakabagot eh. O, wag
Hindi
yun
na
siyang
tayo
bombahan ah.
Destroy the
Kala
objective.
nyo may nahabol kayong baka eh.
Bomb acquired.
Hindi.
realize anger is
Basically.
through all
Pero kung kanina ka parang like, bobo ka ba? Basta sabihin mo sa amin yung malino.
Eh,
Enemy in sight.
Loko, alam mo may tutok siya oh.
Talo namin to, te.
Oo, ba't ka iyak?
Hindi naman kami
Kaiyak.
iiyak kahit na.
Oo. Oo, talaga.
Pa, baby, kanina kahit iyak na iyak ko din.
Oo. Dami satsat. Oh, you don't have any takin na wrong grammar ka tanga.
Ano?
Ina mo.
Ano eh?
Lulu. Trying hard oh. Trying hard.
Enemy in sight.
Bobo puta wrong grammar naman ang hayop. Okay ng ina. Oo. Totoo naman. You don't have to any. What? Ano daw? Mas magaling pa
Can you
mag-English sa'yo
fucking
grade
shut up?
2 eh.
shut up.
Oo, talaga.
For fuck's sake, pabuhat ka na nga lang eh.
Uy, di ako pabuhat.
Get down.
Sino pabuhat?
Say no more.
Ang ina
You're
bata.
Right.
Enemy
Here,
contact.
you cannot. You can never do
Kita mo yan? Pabuhat ka kasing bobo kay.
Buhay. Buhat ka, buhat ka. Di ba?